Published in 1952, The Old Man and the Sea is one of the Hemingway's smaller novels. It is small enough to pass for a short story, probably. However, Hemingway's most popular work is magical in its simplicity, lucidity, and endearing in its story. So let's enjoy the MCQs from The Old Man and the Sea, the magnificent novel by Hemingway. Welcome to TOEIC English. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So let's proceed to the MCQ section. Today's first MCQ is, how long had Santiago gone without catching a fish? Here the options are 1 year, 84 days, 6 months, 87 days. Here the right answer is option B, 84 days. Santiago had gone 84 days without catching or fishing, without catching a fish or fishing. Now proceed to MCQ number 2. What is the meaning of Salau? The options are a greeting, a small room, the champion, extreme bad luck. Here the right answer is option D. Salau means extreme bad luck. Now proceed to MCQ number 3. What does the boy stop? Why does the boy stop fishing with Santiago? Options are option A. His parents think Santiago has bad character. Option B. His parents do not want him to go to sea. Option C. His parents force him to go with a lucky boat. Option D. His parents think Santiago's boat is unsafe. Here the right answer is option C. His parents force him to go with a lucky boat. To go with a lucky boat. Next, even though the boy can no longer fish with Santiago, how does he show his loyalty? Options are: he invites him to his parents' house for supper, he helps Santiago repaint his boat, he gives Santiago a new sail for his boat, he goes every day to help him unload his equipment. Here the right answer is option D. He goes every day to help him unload his equipment. Here the right answer is option D. Next, what does the old man remove and eat from the belly of a dolphin? Here the options are shrimp, flying fish, seaweed, piranha. Here the right answer is option B, flying fish. The old man uh, eats a flying fish from the belly of a dolphin. Now proceed to MCQ number 6. The protagonist of this tale is an old Cuban fisherman. What is this old man's names? The options are Martin, Manolin, Santiago, Pedrico. Here the right answer is option C. That is Santiago. Here the right answer is option C. Santiago is right answer here. Now proceed to MCQ number 7. The man looks up. The man looks up especially to one certain baseball player. Who was the baseball player? The options are Joe DiMaggio, Babe Ruth, Dick Sisler, Willie Mays. Here the right answer is option A, Joe DiMaggio. The boy's parents made him leave the old man and fish in another boat because they said the old man was Salau, which means the options are a terrible fisherman, the weakest form of insanity, the worst form of unlucky, the lowest form of social class. Here the right answer is option C, the worst form of unlucky. The worst form of unlucky. Next, what was the boy's name? What was the boy's name? Options are Santiago, Pedrico, Manolin, Martin. Here the right answer is option C, Manolin. The name of the boy was Manolin. Next, land now out of sight, the old man is surprised to see a little bird flying across the water. It raced on his fishing line. What kind of bird was it? The options are a finch, a warbler, a swallow, a sparrow. Here the right answer is option B, a warbler. Option B is right answer here. Next, what was the very last line in The Old Man and the Sea? The options are the old man was dreaming about the lions, the old man was dreaming about the fish, the old man was dreaming about Africa, the old man was dreaming about the boy. Here the right answer is option A. The old man was dreaming about the lions. Option A is right answer here. Next, how old was the boy the first time he went fishing with Santiago? Options are 5 years old, 6 years old, 7 years old, 9 years old. Here the right answer is option A. He was 5 years old. 5 years old. Santiago was 5 years old when he went fishing with the boy was 5 years old when he went fishing with Santiago. Next, why does the old man wish to take Joe DiMaggio fishing? Because he heard that DiMaggio's father was a options are fisherman, option B boatman, option C steersman, option D a baseball player. Here the right answer is option A. He heard that DiMaggio's father was a fisherman, hence and so he wished to take him to fishing. Here the right answer is option A, fisherman. Next, what is the favorite topic of conversation for Santiago and the boy? Options are baseball, basketball, rugby, fishing. Here the right answer is baseball. Option A is right answer here. It was the favorite topic of their conversation. On the night before he promises Manolin to go far out to sea, of what does Santiago dream? The options are a great storm, a beautiful woman, lions on the beach, wrestling match. Here the right answer is option C, lions on the beach. Next, what kind of fish does Santiago first catch? Options are a tuna, a marlin, a shrimp, a huge crab. Here the right answer is option A, that is a tuna. Santiago first catches a tuna. Next, in what year was The Old Man and the Sea published? The options are 1950, 1951, 1952, 1953. Here the right answer is 1952. The Old Man and the Sea was published in 1952. The great Joe DiMaggio suffers from what affliction? The options are a bone spur, alcoholism, a ruined knee, failing eyesight. Here the right answer is option A. Option A is right answer here. He was suffering from a bone spur. Next, why does the thought of selling the fish's meat disappoint the old man? The options are option A, the people who will eat the meat are unworthy. Option B, market prices are low and Santiago will get only a fraction of what the fish is worth. Option C, because Merlin has an unpleasant taste. Santiago wishes she caught something that made for better eating, like a shark. Here, the right answer is option A. The people who will eat the meat are unworthy. Hence, here the right answer is option A. Last but not the least, last MCQ is today's last MCQ is how does Santiago finally kill the Merlin? Options are option A, he harpoons it through the heart. Option B, he stabs in between the eyes. Option C, he lashes it to the inside of the boat. Option D, he bashes its head with his club. Here the right answer is option A. He harpoons it through the heart. Hence here the right answer is option A. So this was to this last MCQ, and I think today's series of MCQs from the Old Man and the Sea will give you sufficient information about MCQ section, and you will be very much helpful, and you will be at least an iota of helped by today's presentation. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to give a like, and if you want, you can subscribe it to stay with us. So thank you for watching this video.